Welcome to this demonstration of the sync connector from Redware. This connector integrates Sage 50 with Microsoft CRM, and as you'll see, it allows the salesperson to enter an order and for that to pass all the way through into Sage without any retyping. You can see more information at redware.com. If you click on Microsoft CRM Sage integration, that lets you download a demo and look at the manual and so on. So I'm going to show you on this machine. I have CRM set up here, then I have the software here and a copy of Sage also running. And what we're going to do is first I'll show you the data inside CRM, and then I'll show you it pushing through. So I've got an order already created here. It's a standard order. I'll just show you the account record. There's nothing special on the account record. We're going to use the account number to set automatically set a new, because this is going to be created in Sage, create a new value for the Sage reference, and we're going to set the relationship type to customer. If we look at the order, it's a standard order. We've got the product set up. If we click here on this product, I just wanted to show you we've added the description onto the form, so you can override the product description, and normally it will take the product name from Sage, and it will going to recalculate the VAT for you and also apply the nominal ledger that the accountant set up against the product, so you don't have to worry about that. All we have to do to get this through into CRM is to, for the salesperson, often you do this with workflow, to change the status to upload into Sage, and that's now going to trigger and tell the system to push it through. Normally this program will run in batch mode and the accountant will never see it, but maybe at lunchtime they want to run it again. And we scan first. It's going to show us that this account's got to be created. It's going to show us these products have to go through, and they're all the items that need to go through. If I press process, it's going to process them. It's going to look first at the products, push them through into Sage, then it's going to look at the customer, push those through into Sage, and then it's going to create the invoice. So if you look here, it's told us it's created yellow 0001 as the account, and it's created 90 sales invoice 90 inside Sage. So let's have a look at the invoice list. We need to do a refresh. There it is, Yellow Demo Limited. Here's the product. It's passed through the nominal code and the tax code and recalculated the VAT for us. It's taken through the description from CRM. It's taken through, we can set shipping addresses if we want to, and if you look on the account, it's taken through the address and phone numbers and so on into Sage. So the process now is for the accountant. Remember, there could be tens or hundreds of invoices here. The accountant's going to update that onto the sales ledgers and print out the invoice. Now the next time the software runs, it's going to look at the last transaction in Sage. It's going to take the invoices that have just been processed through, and it's going to push them back through into CRM. We've just seen there, it's inserted that into CRM. So we can go back into CRM now and have a look at that customer, and we'll just look at the order. The original order is there, and just to show you what it's done is it's taken the status, changed it to uploaded, and put in the Sage reference there. And if we look at the invoices, it's pushed through the invoice, and it's got all the products pushed through, the address details and so on. And then if you look in the notes, it's actually created a PDF from Sage, and that will be exactly the same as your Sage invoice. So the process is for the salesperson to create the order, that pushes through into Sage, the accountant deals with it, and then it comes back into CRM, and there's a status on the invoice inside CRM, and then when the thing is fully paid in Sage, this will update here to fully paid, so you can do some rudimentary credit checking on there. We have much more complex and sophisticated systems. If you're doing a lot of billing, we have a transaction table that lets you do direct debit and so on. And we have other solutions as well. But you've seen the basic one. I hope you enjoyed the demo. I hope it was informative. And have a look at redware.com for more info.